In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Apps section. Following that, click on Dual Apps and choose Create. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like Amazon Shopping. Then choose Turn On in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, Amazon Shopping was successfully cloned. If you want to delete your cloned app, go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!